Hello folks, we're here at Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio, and this is a 2014 Gray Wolf 21RR. It's a toy hauler. These never stick around very long. First of all, we've got the power tongue jack. Down here we do have all 4 power stabilizers, front and back. You have a power awning, nice looking wheels, aluminum wheels, outside speakers, a place you can hang your TV outside with hookups. I want to come back up front here. Stock number on this one, if you want to look at it online, is 8602A. It's in very nice condition. You have the assist grab handle right there. This is a one owner. Has the outside shower. Storage under the bed. You can also get to it from inside by lifting up the bed. Alrighty, inside you have 2 long couches that will fold up against the wall, along with 2 freestanding tables. Does have a stereo system in it. That is where you hang your TV. Your hookups are up here. It is cold out, folks. 20-some degrees. Have an oven, stove, microwave, 6 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. Quite a bit of storage right here. You have 6 doors. You can hang closet there. Storage up here. Your bed has a real bathroom, not an all-in-one bathroom. More storage above your couches. Air conditioning, heat, which I wish was on. Folks, this thing has everything you need. And all this needs is a happy new owner. Come and see us here at Paul Sherry RVs. Come see me, I'm Tim, get a crazy great deal.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from. And how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.